So, for all the years I've been doing engines, all different kind of engines, car engines, bike engines, boat engines, wherever. So we have this 2008 Audi A3. It have the 2.0 ccta engine. Now, timing chain, the tensioner went bad, bent the valves, the intake valves got damaged. We did the valves, grind valves, install valves, everything. So my boy put it up, put it together, try to turn the engine, bend valve again. We took the engine apart again, trying to figure out what the heck could have caused the car to bend valve again when the timing is right. Can you believe that all these lobes on the camshaft can be turned? So what basically happened was that number 2 cylinder, the lobes were turned. So I got me a hammer just to make sure that I'm not stupid or I'm not crazy.
Yep, here's one.
And this is what I found. You can knock off every damn lobe off the thing.
All of them can turn.
Every one of them can move. Maybe I'm stupid, but I had no idea that would have happened in this engine. So right now, I need a camshaft. This is something new for me. I've never seen that before.
Talk about Audi.